Hi, and welcome to Wagmore Pet Boutique and Bakery, located in the Center Business District of Sparta, New Jersey. We opened our doors in 2017 to provide you and your dogs the ultimate shopping experience. With open arms, we welcome you into our store filled with freshly made treats and items that you will not find in a typical box store. From our fresh bakery to our seasonal items year-round, this is something for both you and your four-legged ones to leave happy with. We hope to see you soon, Chris and Toby. Hi everyone, welcome to the new year and a new video from Wagmore Pet Boutique and Bakery. Today we're going to be doing a easy do-it-yourself dog jerky treat video. We're going to be doing a barbecue bacon with chicken and few ingredients. Let's get started so your four-legged ones can enjoy them. For today's video, we're going to be needing obviously our dehydrator and all our trays. We're using a sugar-free, no additive barbecue sauce. We're going to be using dried up dehydrated bacon to sprinkle on. We're going to need a bowl and a little spreader for our barbecue sauce, a pair of poultry scissors, and we're going to be grabbing tenderloins that are all thawed out. We're going to go ahead and grab a pair of scissors and open our bag of raw tenderloins. Highly recommend wearing gloves today for your video. You will be touching raw poultry. We're going to grab our barbecue sauce. I'm going to grab a small bowl. I'm just going to put about half the bottle in, because we're probably not going to need that much. It'll go quite a ways. I'll put this to the side with our brush. And for each tray that I'm going to be filling up today for our dehydrator, I'm just going to take a baking pan, a cookie pan, and line it with parchment paper. So if we do make a mess where any debris does fall through, it'll collect and then we can just toss it into the garbage, the liner. Depending on the thickness of your tenderloins, they're going to take longer to cook. So what we do is we usually grab our poultry scissors and we're just going to cut them in half. And that will actually help dry up faster in the dehydrator, and they're smaller size too for the dogs. And when you're cutting your tenderloins, just make sure you space them out about a ½ inch or so, ½ inch between each piece, so that way the air, when it's drying in the dehydrator, it gets around all the angles. I'll grab the camera real quick. And that's about the gap I'm leaving. Let's go ahead and speed this up and fill up our trays. Before I get too far ahead with this video and putting our jerky in the trays in our dehydrator, go ahead and lightly get our brush covered, and we're just going to lightly go over each piece of the cut up tenderloins. I know they don't look heavy in the barbecue sauce, but it goes a long ways. And then we'll add on the final ingredient before putting this into the dehydrator. And then we're going to grab our dehydrated bacon bits. And just go ahead and lightly sprinkle on. And our first tray is ready for the dehydrator. First tray's down, let's finish the rest of them. Once your dehydrator door is closed, go ahead and power it on. We're going to set a timer for 78 hours for 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Your model may vary and you may have to go back and add some time. It smells like a barbecue inside the store. It is amazing. For those who are partaking and making this jerky as well with us in this video, but I just can't get over how good it smells for dog treats. So stay tuned until they're all dehydrated and dried out. All right, our timer's done on our dehydrator. Let's take a look. They shrink up, but they're small and crunchy. And the most important part, the test.